In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest way to set up Web Hacking Labs on Kali Linux right in your browser. With this method, you do not have to install each of the Web Hacking Lab one by one. You can just use them all together. So without further ado, let's start the installation process. The very first thing we're going to do is open our web browser and go to google.com and search for Pentesting Labs, GitHub, and press enter. Click on the first link by EYSTSEN Pentest Lab. When you're on this GitHub page, click on code. Under HTTPS, copy the link. I will minimize the browser and then open my terminal and first change to the desktop directory and type the command git clone space paste the link and press enter. After the directory has been downloaded, I'll change to the directory. And now before starting any of the web penetration testing lab, we have to install Docker first. So type the command sudo apt install docker.io and press enter. Do you want to continue? Press capital Y and then press enter. After Docker has been installed, we are ready to start any of the lab. So if I give the ls command, I can see I have 3 files in my system. This is the file we will be working with, pentestlab.sh. First, let's check which hacking labs are available to us. To see the list of the hacking labs, type the command /pentestlab.sh space list and press enter. And as you can see, I have so many options to choose from. So first let's start the bWAPP web application. So to start any application, just type /pentestlab.sh space start space the name of the application, which is bWAPP, and press enter. Now the Docker image is getting downloaded. And finally, my bWAPP has started. I can see in the last line it says run install first to use bWAPP at this link. So I'll right click on the link and click open link, and under installation I will click on the button here, and my installation has been successfully completed. I will go back to my terminal and I can see I can access bWAPP with either this link or the IP address. I'll select this link and right click and click open link, and my bWAPP has started. The login is B and the password is bug. It's written here. And now you can set the security level. I'll keep it as low and click on login. And now you can start using bWAPP. If you want to stop any of the web application, type the command /pentestlab.sh space stop space the name of the application, which is bWAPP in this case, and press enter, and it will be stopped. Now let's see some other examples. So first let's check the list of the options available to us. So /pentestlab.sh space list and press enter. Let's start DVWA. So to start DVWA, the process is similar. /pentestlab.sh space start space the name of the application, which is DVWA in this case, and then press enter. And now the image is getting downloaded. And I can see now DVWA has started. You can access DVWA either through this link or this IP address. This time I choose the IP address. I will right click and then click open link. It is asking me for a username and a password. I can see the username and password is admin and password. So I'll type here admin and password is password. I will click login. And for DVWA, the first thing we have to do is set up the database. So when you're on this page, scroll to the extreme bottom and then click create reset database. And then you will be asked to log in again. So type admin and password. And now you can start using DVWA. And if you wanted to stop DVWA, just type the command /pentestlab.sh stop space DVWA and press enter, and it will be stopped. The other web applications available are fairly easy to start. You do not have to do any installation or configuration. DVWA and bWAPP are the only two different ones. So that's why I showed only these two. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video and want to watch more content related to Kali Linux or ethical hacking, please subscribe to the channel. That is for the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching.